Hey, it's Living with Charnelle. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you here today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick simple breakfast idea. You will not need a lot of ingredients for this recipe. You just need a few ingredients. Breakfast cannot be easier than this. So this video is also in collaboration with other YouTubers. I'm going to link their YouTube channels in my description box below. Make sure to check them out, please, and go and see what they have. So let's get going. You're going to need butter. I have here, this is the brand I'm using. I put one out. You want your butter to be at room temperature. I'm also using classic American cheese. Of course, you also will need bread. I'm using here Italian bread. To spice things up, I'm going to be adding some black peppers. This is all you need. You don't even need the black pepper. You just need your cheese, your butter, and your bread. I'm also going to go ahead, because I have some other cheeses that I have at home that are just laying around. I'm going to add some of this. I have the Mexican style and some Fiesta blend cheese, just a little bit of those. Because I'm using a cast iron pan, I'm going to turn on the fire and leave it on low. I'm gonna start by slicing my bread. That bread smells so good. Look at that beautiful bread. So yummy, look at that. Ooh. I like to use kind of like the middle part of the bread. Because I like my bread a little bit on the crusty side, I like to toast my bread. While the bread is getting toasted, I'm gonna go ahead and just get my cheese ready. So first I'm gonna get my butter. Since it's at room temperature, it's going to be easy to just spread it on the bread. I like to be generous with my butter when I put it. It just gives it a different taste. So that's one side. I'm gonna put butter on both sides. Time to add my black pepper. I'm gonna add my cheese. Time to add my butter. As you can see, the pot is not too hot. You don't want the butter to be burning. You want the pot to be just warm enough. I'm going to place my sandwich in there. We'll let that cook slowly. I know you might feel like pressing down on it. Don't do that. Just let it cook slowly. Time to flip our first sandwich. While we're waiting for this to get ready, don't forget to click that like button if you're enjoying this sound. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel and you would like to see more of this type of video. Our first sandwich is ready. This is why you don't want the cheese to be out, because it's gonna kind of like burn. If not, this is looking good. Let's go try it. Perfect. I hope you give this recipe a try and that you like it. Thank you for watching.